and welcome back to my channel. Yes, I'm here to share with you guys my CVS haul. I am starting to actually get CVS. They have a lot of CRTs now that you guys cannot overlap. I explained this in my last video. So if you guys have a 4 off of 18 shampoo and conditioner and you have like a 2 off of 12 cosmetics CRT, you're going to have to do those in 2 separate transactions. I've been finding out why I've been having non-stop problems at the registers like crazy. So that is the reason why I've been doing little transactions. And I was talking to the store manager about this today. And I was explaining to her, I'm like, I finally got the system down. Because for a while there, I was having nothing but problems after problems after problems. And you guys really do got to read the small print. So I try to figure out how many transactions I have to do. With my older card, I only had to do 1 because I only had 1 of those cards. With my, CRTs. With my second card, or my newer card, I had to do 2 separate transactions because I had a shampoo one and I also had a makeup one. So, yes, just giving you guys a heads up. If you guys are having problems, you know, with your CRTs not working, make sure you guys, you know, are reading the small print. Now, we've been getting a lot of those like 4 off of 30, 8 off of 60 coupons that have been printing off our receipts. Now, you guys can only use those if you don't have like a 4 off of whatever for shampoo or a 2 off of whatever for cosmetics. So they're being really picky, so a lot of those coupons have been going to waste. So just wanted to give you guys a heads up if you're having problems with that. Sorry, I'm just like out of breath lately, and it's because I run up and down the stairs and I'm just trying to get some water because otherwise this video is just tiring me out. So, I'm here to share with you guys what I got at CVS. Now, I'm really into getting Halloween candy this year, and my store had a ton of Kit Kat bars, so don't get mad at me. They had a whole end cap of Kit Kat bars. They had another end cap of Kit Kat bars. You go down the Halloween candy aisle, they had more Kit Kat bars. And they had more by the regular register candy bars. I'm like, enough with Kit Kat bars. So I always try to get the most bang for my buck. Now they had some ones where the packages glow in the dark. That's awesome, you guys. But the bag was a lot smaller. You get more bang for your buck for these. So make sure if you guys are getting certain kinds, make sure you guys are checking that out. Sorry, my phone is going off. So, I ended up getting Kit Kat bars. Now, these were 3 for $8. I used a $1 off of 2 coupon that we got from our inserts a couple, like last weekend. I also had a 3 off of 3 Hershey's. Now, Kit Kat is Hershey's, so you guys can use this coupon for it. So, I had a 3 off of 3 Hershey's. So, you guys would end up paying $4 for 3 bags, which is a pretty decent deal if you guys want to do that. But then you guys will get $2 back in an ECB. Now that 3 off of 3 CRT is from the previous week, so just giving you guys a heads up for that. But you guys would end up getting all 3 bags for $2 or just 67 cents a bag. I think that is a great deal. So definitely gonna stock up on candy. I'm a person who loves to hand out stuff for Halloween. Like, I'm making sure somebody's at my house to pass out candy, and if nobody is, I'm gonna, oh, this is leaking. I'm definitely going to give it to my neighbors to pass out for me, because I'm really into, you know, Halloween, and I always like giving kids goodie bags. So everybody in my neighborhood is getting Tic Tacs. And then they also are going to be getting like a little bag of goodies. So, along with lots of candy. Because I have about 100 kids that show up. So, yeah. I had this says Birthing Center. It's when I had Ben. It's like one of my favorite cups because there's no condensation. I love these glasses. No condensation. So, sorry for drinking, you guys. I'm just really thirsty. I'm trying to drink as much water as possible. I've been just cutting back on, you know, candy and sweets and pop or soda. Just trying to lose weight so I can get pregnant, you guys. So I'm just trying to eat healthier, be healthier, you guys. You know, I've been listening to you guys when you comment about certain things. So just trying to make everything all better. Ended up doing the Revlon Kiss. Now these were $4.99. Now I used those $2 off coupons over on coupons.com. They are no longer available anymore. I know a lot of people said to make sure you guys printed those off. I made sure you guys printed them off. But you guys also want to use that 4 off Revlon CRT that we got last weekend, or last time you guys printed from the red machine. But you guys would pay $1.98 for the both of these, which is still a pretty good price for 99 cents. But then you guys will get a $4 back ECB, making this a $2.02 moneymaker. So I love it when I can get lip balm for free. Now this lip balm is actually pretty good stuff. I like the strawberry or the cherry. Now the ones I got left as what, grape? No, berry burst and juicy peach. They do leave a little bit of a tint on your lips, so just giving you guys a heads up if you guys are interested in that. But I really do like those products. I ended up getting the Nexxus. Now I really like the pink one. They didn't have the pink one. This is kind of like the purple one. This is the Marine Collagen. I really like the pink one. I've been using the Deep Minerals one right now, and the smell kind of gets to me, but we'll give this one a test out. So this was $20.79. You guys want to use that $5 off coupon that we got from our inserts last week. You guys also want to use a 4 off of 18 CRT if you guys have one for shampoo. You'd pay $11.79 for this bad boy. But then you guys will get $10 back in an ECB, making it just $1.79. So I think that's a great deal. Going all the way down from 20 bucks to $1.79, that's a great deal. And I actually was kind of hesitant on this shampoo and conditioner, and from using it the last couple months, I'm actually really liking it. It's good stuff. This is one stuff I will not get rid of. I used to get rid of it, and I'm just like, why should I get rid of $20 shampoo? Now I know at Walmart and Target it's a little bit cheaper, so I'm going to try to go back and try to see if I can use those coupons there, because those coupons expire soon. So I'm like, I got to use them up. Can't get rid of good coupons. No. Okay, Maybelline eyeshadow. Now these were $3.99. I haven't felt like we haven't bought Maybelline eyeshadow for a while, but these were $3.99. You guys also want to use the $3 Mystery off CRT. Some of you guys might have different ones. I think everybody got the same one, $3. But you guys would pay $4.98 for the both of these, and you guys would get a $5 back ECB, making these absolutely free or a 2-cent moneymaker. The colors that I get are Humdrum Plum and Seashell. Now they used to have a silver color, but now they don't have that there anymore. And that silver color is actually one of my favorite colors that I wear all the time when I used to wear the silver eyeshadow. So I'm on a hunt to find silver eyeshadow. I ended up getting the Physicians Formula Powder Palette. I'm like, Ben, just pick one. I am not, in my opinion, I am not a big fan of Physicians Formula. I don't know why. Certain things I just don't like about them, but certain things, they're okay. But I did like their blush at one point, but I'm starting to wear a different kind of blush, which my blush is kind of blocked off because I was laying down watching a movie. But the Physicians Formula was $15.29. Now, there's a deal where if you spend $15, you get $10. My store did not have a tag up. She's like, oh, the manager's like, did you know that was on sale? I'm like, yeah. She's like, oh, I didn't even get a tag for it. I'm like, yeah. So this was $4, or I had a 4 off of 15 CRT, so I used that. I ended up paying $11.29 for this item, but then you guys get $10 back, making it $1.29. So I think $1.29 is also a very good deal. So that was my older card. No, that was my newer card that I bought everything. So that was 2 separate transactions. One card was just the Nexxus shampoo, so that was $1.79. I ended up paying out of pocket. I used $10, but I received $10. You can submit your receipt also to Fetch. So I paid $1.79 for that. My the second transaction was $2.25. I ended up using $20 worth of ECBs, but I received $21 back of ECBs. So that came just to be $1.25 for all that stuff. So I'm already doing good. Okay, so now on to my old card. I bought a lot more stuff with my old card. So I ended up doing the Garnier face mask. Now you guys can do this in 2 separate transactions if you want to use those 50% off coupons. It's up to you, but I didn't need to. So these were $3.09. You buy 2, you get a $4 ECB. So I used one 50% off coupon. I paid $5.68 for these, but then you guys get that $4 ECB back, making it $1.69 or just 84 cents. So I haven't bought face masks in a while, so I've been really wanting to do some face masks, just trying to relax myself. So we got that going on. I did the Kit Kat bars again. My store was just swimming in Kit Kat bars, so I had to do that again. I ended up getting Annie's macaroni and cheese. Now, these were $2.69. They were buy one, get one 50% off. I had a CRT for $3 off of 2, so I'm like, okay, I gotta use that up. So I used that 3 off of 2 CRT. I ended up only paying $1.03 for both of these. And I know there's coupons out there. I didn't get those coupons. There's probably printable coupons out there. I didn't even bother. This was just kind of the whim. I just saw it when it was on sale just to get it. So, yes, 51 cents or 52 cents a piece. I think that's a pretty good deal. Ended up getting the Colgate enamel toothpaste. Now this was $3.99. You guys want to use that $1 off coupon that we just received in today's paper. You guys would pay $2.99 for this, but then you guys can get a $2 CRT and you guys can submit a 75-cent rebate on Ibotta, making it just 24 cents. Now I also had a bonus for posting any receipt, so I actually got this for 40 cents or 4 cents. 4 cents for toothpaste. That's a great, great deal. I ended up doing, got some other deals to share with you guys. She put it in a bag. I always give them my reusable bags and they still forget to put them in the bag. So I ended up getting, again, the Kiss, and then I got the Maybelline also for that card. Some deals, I just like getting both of them. But I ended up getting the Hershey Gold candy. Now, this one wasn't marked. The one next to it was marked, but it was a smaller bag, so I went and scanned it, and it still was the same deal. So these were 2 for $7. I used 2 of those $1.50 off coupons that we had from coupons.com. I don't think those are available anymore. But you guys, also, I had a $1 off CRT that I used. So I ended up paying $3 for 2 bags. But then you guys will get a $1 back ECB. So making these just $1 a piece. So that's an okay deal. Again, I'm trying to get as much candy as I can for, you know, sorry, I gotta check up something. I'm excited to get more candy for Halloween, so, and I feel like we're not chowing down on it this much this year because we're really trying to cut back on candy. So I have a feeling we'll have tons of candy left for the Halloween, and whatever doesn't get rid of, I will be giving away at work to my coworkers. I could drink my whole water just by doing my videos. That's crazy. But that card, I ended up paying 66 cents out of pocket for everything. I used $19 worth of ECBs, but I also received $19 back of ECBs. So that came out to be 66 cents for everything. But then after I remembered, I submitted 75-cent rebate to Ibotta. So this ended up becoming a 9-cent money maker. But then if you guys technically think about it, I got an extra 20 cents for any receipt. So that was a 29-cent money maker. Yeah, but we're not going to count that in. But if you guys add all 3 transactions, I paid $2.95 for everything. That was just 23 items and I got everything at 13 cents a piece. That is awesome. I love getting candy at 13 cents a piece. So yes, that was my CVS haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Sorry for posting it late. I feel like I just have other things to do and things to do before I post my videos. I'm kind of just a person lately who just wants to just relax, watch a movie. I'm really into watching movies lately, if you guys haven't noticed. That's why I posted my top 10 Halloween movies, but I'm just really into watching movies and just relaxing. The weather's not great when it's like raining outside. It's in the 40s and 50s. I mean, we had to turn our heat on yesterday. It was that cold outside. So yes, but I hope you guys enjoy these kind of videos, and I will see you next week early. We have a birthday party to go to in the afternoon, so I will be posting my video as early as I can. And I just want to say thanks for watching. See you guys later. Bye-bye.